space now? Well, we needed the space now because we've got 2 children who are getting older. They need a bit more space in their own bedrooms. And my husband and I are both working from home at the moment. So at the moment that means sitting at the dining room table or a desk in the corner of the lounge, which isn't really working for us. So an extra bedroom in the loft meant that we could convert one of the old bedrooms into an office.
And I'll just add to that, having a bathroom as well upstairs means there's not a fight in the morning with my children when they're getting ready for school and when we're getting ready for work. So an extra bathroom was a big plus. This was the correct time to have it done. Because of COVID, we're working from home now, so we needed that dedicated office space. So we lost a bedroom, so by creating the loft, we had a brand new bedroom. My son had a new bedroom. We had the office space we needed. Also, my daughter's becoming a teenager, so she spends a lot more time in the bathroom, so we needed our own bathroom as well.
Did we have any concerns prior to the project? Yes, we did. It's a big building project, and although we've done smaller projects in homes before, we've never done anything this involved. So we were concerned about the cost, we were concerned about the process, and we were concerned about what the finished product would look like. And also knowing who to use for the job, because we've had our fingers burnt before when we've picked people to do work and it hasn't necessarily turned out how we wanted it to. So we were very conscious of that process, of finding the right people to do the work for us. I
think I'd add as well, working from home permanently at the moment, we were concerned about how disruptive the building might be. So that was another area.